Read our animal book?
B.
Okay, let's read our book.
Yeah!
Okay, what animals do you see?
Fish is fish.
Where's a fish?
Oh, yeah!
What's a fish do? You're silly. Come here. Let's look at these. What's this?
B.
What's that?
ABC.
What's this?
Puppy nose.
What's this?
B. Mouse.
Mouse. What about this? Who's this right here?
Mouse.
Who's this?
B. Kitty first.
What about this one?
Mouse.
Okay, ready?
No!
Look at these.
No!
You don't want to read an animal book?
Yeah.
What is this?
No. C.
Ba ba ba.
Ba.
Taylor, what is this right here?
Check.
No, look. You're not looking.
Seahorse.
No, that's look. Oh, that is a seahorse. What is this? Meerkat. What about this one?
Wow.
What is it? What is this?
Hippo.
Hippo. What about this one?
Zebra.
Zebra. Who's this? What's the elephant do? Oh, that's good, elephant. What does a lion do?
Wow.
Ooh.
Wow.
Okay, let's do this page.
Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Great idea.
What do you see on that page?
Idea.
Alligator. What does the alligator do?
Wow.
Oh. Remember he says, oh, look, Taylor, there's that squirrel. What does a squirrel do? Do you remember what a squirrel does? He eats all the nuts. What does a bear eat?
Fish.
He eats fish. What else? What's a penguin do?
Walla walla.
Waddle, waddle, waddle.
Thank you. Oh, Ramos. No.
Oh,
Yeah. Walla walla. Walla.
waddle, waddle, waddle. What's this animal?
Box.
Fox. Good girl.
Box.
Yeah, fox's tail. What's this right here?
Seahorse.
What about this?
Seahorse.
What's this one?
What's this?
Is that a dolphin?
What's this? What's this?
What is that?
Shark.
Oh no. Do you see a turtle? Where's the turtle?
What's it? I don't know.
You ready for a new page?
Okay.
Okay.
What's this?
What is that?
What's that?
Oh, I love turtles. Okay, say bye to mommy.
Bye.
Can you blow me a kiss?